going through the Primo VFD controls. So go ahead, we're gonna power the unit on. You're gonna hit the main power supply, the light that's gonna light up green. From here, you should get your VFD powered on. Okay, we're currently set to 30 on this VFD. To change this speed, we're gonna use the dial here and we can change the increment on how fast the motor is spinning. All right, key thing to look at here, we have two lights. We have both a run light and a forward light, these little two red lights, okay? For whatever reason, if your run light does not turn on, your VFD is not activated. If that does happen, go ahead and cycle power off to the unit. Wait for both VFDs to go completely black. Cycle the power back on. And yep, you should have two lights, okay? So only do that in case you don't have two lights shown here, okay? Both the run light and the forward light.